Click API extraction. There are several products that can be extracted. Here the number of extractions can be changed. Here you can choose the country you want. Select proxy type. This is where you can change the data format. There are several delimiter types you can choose from. Click the Generate API link. Click the Open link after successful generation. Copy the address and port generated by the link. Open browser. Click the icon at the top right. Select Settings option. Locate and click System. Open your computer's proxy settings. Open the Use Proxy server. Paste the copied address and port. Click Save. This is the set proxy information.